Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig sent to me from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. The wig that I received is 12 inches. The texture is Yaki. The lace color is light brown. And this wig is a 13x6 lace front bob wig with HD Swiss lace. The wig comes with 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. The hairline of this wig is pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached for you, so no extra work on that end. And this bob is already cut in the perfect blunt cut. So here's an up close of the Yaki texture, which you see on the left, and your typical silky textured wig, which you see on the right. The Yaki texture is much more believable in my opinion because it looks just like my hair in its blown out state. I also love Yaki textured wigs because of how lightweight they are, but their strands look much denser than silky wigs. So you can get a 130% Yaki textured wig and it will look way more full than a 300% density silky textured wig. Straight out of the package, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Grabbing the wig in 2 different colors of lace tint, I am going to tint the lace so that it is a perfect color match for my skin complexion. The first lace tint that I'll be using is the color of my foundation, and that one is labeled Skin. I'm going to spray that along the hairline of the lace frontal. And the next shade of lace tint is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that in the inner portion of this lace frontal. And I'm going to do 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and blow dry in between each layer. Okay, so now that our lace is the perfect color match for our skin complexion, it is now time to move on to styling. I'm going to grab BioSilk's Silk Infusion Hair Serum, apply that to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm going to grab my flat iron and I'm going to begin to flat iron this hair with a little bump at the ends. Next, I'm just going to grab this hair wax stick from 𝐃𝐫𝐚𝐿, apply that to the parting space and the hairline, and then I'm going to use my pressing comb to go over that hairline and parting space just to make sure that everything is smooth and laying where it's supposed to lay. I also want to mention that the parting space is on the right side. So of course, as you're watching the screen, it's on the left side, but when the wig is on your head, the part is going to be on your right side. This is a lace frontal wig and it's a 13x6 lace frontal, so you are able to change the parting space. You can do a middle part, a side part, you can do a ponytail, you can wear it all out of your face. The styling options, of course, are endless with a 13x6 lace frontal. So just have fun experimenting with different hairstyles with this wig. All right, so now that we have styled the wig, it is now time to cut away that extra lace. Grabbing a pair of zigzag scissors, I'm going to carefully cut right in front of the hairline, following the natural curvature of this hairline and not cutting into the hairline, but cutting right in front of it. All right, so now it is time to install this wig. Prepping my skin, I'm going to grab some alcohol and clean off my forehead. Next, I'll be grabbing scalp protector and applying that to my hairline. The adhesive of choice today is Wonder Lace Bond from Eben, New York. I'm going to grab the wig and have a very clear view of the under portion of the lace. I'm going to spray a thin layer of that to the hairline of the wig, and then I will be using my blow dryer for a few seconds to get this adhesive to become tacky. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to position it on my head where I want the wig to sit, and then I'm going to put my headscarf on to allow it to set.
How you think it look?
I love the like short mid hair on you. I love it. I really like bring out your face.
Thanks, babe.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
15 minutes later, here's how our hairline is looking. It is kind of plastered down. As you can see, the hair is plastered down onto the lace. To get rid of that, you can just use a brush with some water on the brush and then just comb over the hairs, and that will loosen the hold of the hairs from the lace to give it more flexibility. So I did do that off camera, and I did apply some baby hairs, and here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. If you're new here, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment before you leave so that I know you stopped by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Don't forget to comment down below so that I know you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. This wig is bomb.com. Make sure you get this one in your wig closet. Let's chat all about this one down below in the comments. All the information is down below, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Beige, yeah, that's right. It's beige,